Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Epson brand printer and you're getting an OxC1 error and you're trying to figure out what's going on. So first of all, this error is a CRCM access error, and there's a couple things that could be causing this. I'll go through kind of like the main things to check. So one thing to check is your ink cartridge failure. So you might want to try to just change the ink cartridges or take them out and clean the sensors. After that, it could also be a holder board assembly failure. It could be, or any of the contacts or anything like that on that. It could be a failure of the main board, or there could be some kind of cable that's disconnected somewhere. So anyways, I would go through each of those things and see if one of those fixes the problem. And there are sort of specific videos on the internet for each of those things about what you need to do. But anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.